Welcome to the Paris Airshow 2019. Do we have an exciting week ahead for you? Basically, look, behind me is the static position, we call it, where we have some amazing aircraft. Defense side, on the commercial side. And of course, just on the other side is the Airbus pavilion. What's the pavilion? It's basically the nerve center of Airbus. We bring the customers, we bring VIPs, we bring anyone who's really interested in innovations that Airbus has, because we can talk about those too. One thing you also need to know is that Airbus is celebrating its birthday. 50 years. What's happened in those 50 years? Well, we've sold more than 12,000 aircraft and we plan to sell a lot more. Throughout the week, we'll be telling you about a whole bunch of new innovations that'll change the way you'll be flying in the future. Of course, we'll be bringing to you the flying display. That's what a lot of you are watching us for, to know what we'll be doing with these planes. So things like the 330neo, the 350, they'll be up in the air. But it's not me who'll be talking about those. They'll be the experts that I'm bringing you along who'll tell you why these planes are such a commercial success and so important to the future of flying. And remember, this is just the start. We have an amazing week ahead of us. So make sure you join us. It's going to be a great ride.